to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. This hairstyle was inspired by Selena Gomez and her new music video called Una Vez. So let's get started. As ritual, before I do anything with my hair, I must use this product. It's going to add shine into my hair and it's going to help damage hair, protect hair colors, and also prevent split ends and many more. So it's a really good product to have in your collections. After you have applied the solutions, use a comb to brush it thoroughly so all the products can absorb to every strands of hair. I'm going to divide my hair in half and put it into a high ponytail. You definitely want it high as possible, and whenever you are doing, make sure you are going to brush it out because we don't want any tangle. By the way, I'm using elastic to tie my hair. Later, I can just cut it out. I don't have to really take it out and pull my string of hair. You definitely want to have a high ponytails, and this image here, as you can see, I don't think it's going to be high enough, so I would recommend you to do higher. Next, I'm going to use a magic wand, and I'm going to start on the left side first, which means that I'm going to hold the magic wand with my right hand, and then I'm going to wrap around with my left hand, and I'm going to grab a sections, either an inch or so. You can definitely grab more hair than that if you want to, but I think this is perfect for me. And I'm going to place the magic wand behind my head, and I'm going to wrap it to the back like this. You want to work in section and gradually twist it around, and be careful, don't burn yourself because this is pretty dangerous. And then wait at least like 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how easy your hair get curl, and then release. I think my temperature is 375 degrees. I found this to be the best method to curl my hair because my hair it is super long, and so whenever I do a traditional way, I can definitely lose a strings or two. So doing this method right here, I can see every individual hair that have been curled. So if you want a looser curl than this, there's three options. Either grabbing a bigger section than I grab, or you can change to a different size of the magic wand. I believe this one is 1 inch, so if you want a little bigger, you can definitely go to like 1.25 or 1.50. And there's another method of like whenever you wrap around, you don't have to wait until 10 seconds. You can definitely wait until 8 seconds and release. Whenever you curl your hair, pay attention toward the ends. You definitely want to have a perfect curl, so make sure to not burn your hair, but it's also get the job done. This method is super fast, so I'm already done with my left side. I'm going to switch to my right side, holding the current irons on my left hand, and then I'm going to wrap it around with my right hand. I want to place it under and behind the curl like this and facing toward the back. You definitely have to be careful whenever you're working on your opposite hand because I did almost burn my fingers on this side. Once again, wait 10 to 15 seconds and then release your curl. My ultimate goal is having this curl going to face outward from my face. That's why I have to divide my hair in half and put it in a high ponytail. If I don't care about how the curl going to face, then I'm just going to put in my hair in a high ponytail and then curl in one direction. If you have thin hair and want more volumes, that means you want to create more curls. With that being said, you definitely want to grab a smaller sections than what I grab. So it's going to be like 0.5 inches instead of 1. Once I'm done with the curl, I'm going to use a scissor to pop off the elastic because I don't want it to tuck my hair and then it's enough that I lose a lot of hair in the process. I'm using my finger to run through the curls instead of using a brush or a comb because I want my curl to be perfect intact, and I'm just basically rub it in to create those beautiful volumes. I like to rub it toward the root and then gradually it will release toward the bottom, creating a beautiful curls as you can see here. If you want to create more volume, you can definitely flip your head upside down and then rub it in toward the root and gradually creating a beautiful volumes. If you want your hair to be wavy and not too much curl, you can definitely run through your fingers at the bottom like this, and it's going to create a softer curls compared to the left side that I have not messed with. Once again, I'm going to part my hair in the middle. I just want to make sure it is straight and sleek. And then I'm going to grab a sections of hair on the side of my head, and I'm going to twist it toward the back and secure it with a bobby pin that have a daisy flowers on it. But wait, where did I get that? Oh wow, there's so many flowers. Now finally, after an hour or so, I found it. Yes, this is a good price, and then this is also super cute, so I'm gonna get this too. This is the products we need for Selena Gomez signature look. So I'm going to take out the daisy, and as you can see here, it is really easy to take off. So we want 6 of them, and on here is have 8, so it's perfect. Now I want to grab a scissors and cut out the extra attachment because we don't need them. Grab a hot glue and place it in the middle like this. Just don't add too much. Later you're going to use a bobby pin, place it on top like this, and then wait at least 10 minutes before you are going to use it. I wish that I had found a rose makeup fabric similar to Selena Gomez, but unfortunately I cannot find them, so we're going to use this instead. This is made out of some paper, so you gotta be extra careful whenever you're using it because it's easily ripped. And just apply the same method as earlier. Here is the products and ready to put on your hair. Secure the twist with a bobby pin that have a daisy flower on it, and I'm just going to grab another one, placing where I found that is more attractive, and you want the 3 daisy to be closely together as possible. So I think this is perfect. I'm going to place the rose behind the daisy similar to how Selena Gomez has it. Be extremely careful with the rose because it's made of paper, so it's easy to rip. We're going to repeat the same method on the right side, but it's just a different arrangement for the flower. I'm going to twist a sections on the side. Then I'm just grabbing a regular bobby pin to secure it in place. Next, I'm going to grab the bobby pin that have a flower on it to place it under. And it should look similar like this. Now grab the daisy and you are going to place it on top of the flowers, and you want it to be a triangle one more time, so just place it where you like the flower to be arranged. And as you can see on the left side, the daisy was on the bottom. Now the daisy is going to be on the top on the right. Now I'm going to add some hairspray. If you want your curl to be perfectly attached, definitely adding some hairspray there. But I like loose curl throughout the day, so I'm not going to add hairspray since my hair can hold the curl well. And I'm going to add some Eco Gel on the front of my baby hair because my baby hair is going wild. So adding some gel on there, it will help to lay it flat. So here is the lovely look on the side and also in the front. It is so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's another 2 video waiting for you to click because it's made specially for you. If you have any question or concern, definitely comment below because I love to read them. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.